Hey everyone, welcome back to Jensen DIY. Well, that's not good, is it, when one of those burners doesn't light? You got gas pouring out of there, you can smell gas, and it's not lighting. This is one of the most common issues with natural gas ranges, okay? I'm going to show you how to fix it. No special tools required, just common household items. And if you're having other issues with your gas stove, there is some information at the end of this video where it could be a more serious problem. And then you just want to lift this cap off the top here. And there you have your exposed burner. This is where the main gas supply comes up when you turn it on. Let's get these grates right out of the way. I'm going to take the center one out too. So down in here, that's your porcelain igniter. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You see how it's sparking? If that happens and this doesn't light with this on there, then you want to make sure you turn that off right away because you're going to smell gas, okay? This is natural gas, this range. Natural gas is lighter than air and it's going to rise up and you're going to smell that right away. Well, why isn't this sparker igniting it? Well, because the sparker is down in underneath here. It's sparking underneath, that gas is rising up. Okay, right here, there is a small hole. If this hole gets clogged with food debris or grease, if that's plugged, it's not going to ignite properly. And what I like to use for that is just a twist tie. They're free at the grocery store. That's all you need. If you have a little piece of wire, you can use a paper clip, then you just bend it out. Okay, so I've just got my twist tie here, and you just take it and you want to just pull that paper off the end there so you get your piece of wire. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right in there above the sparker and I'm gonna push through. There you go, you see that coming through there. So I can see a little bit of debris that was in there right down here. Now the other way you can do it, you can just go from the other direction. You just wanna put a little bend on there, just like that. I don't know if you can see that. And then you just get it down in there and poke through that way. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little piece of paper towel now and just kind of clean that debris out of there. We'll go ahead and see if it lights. So you put that cap back on, try it now. And there we go. Pretty easy fix. And I'm gonna give this a good cleaning now that this is all opened up. Yeah, so that's the one thing about gas ranges, you know, they're a bit of a pain to clean because the food debris gets down in there and it's easy to wipe off the top of an electric oven. But with these, you gotta take the grates out and you gotta clean it all off. And sometimes it gets neglected and this kind of thing happens. And I just wanted to mention, if you're having a problem like all the burners aren't lighting or the flame seems low on your burners, or maybe the flame is fluctuating up and down, then that's a more serious problem, and it's in your best interest, unless you're a gas fitter, to have a pro come in and take care of that, because that's most likely a regulator problem. And if you're not trained in this kind of thing, you don't want to be messing around with that. So I highly recommend hiring a professional if it's one of those issues. But this is something that any homeowner can do. If you're new to the channel and the video has helped you out, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, that'd be great. All right, everyone. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.